Advertising your business on Google is an essential step for increasing visibility and attracting potential customers. Google, the world's most popular search engine, offers multiple avenues for businesses to advertise. The most notable method is through Google Ads. Google Ads allows businesses to create ads that appear on Google search results pages and on partner websites in this guide. We will cover the various types of ads you can run on Google, how the system works, how to set up a campaign, and best practices for success. 1. Types of Google Ads. Google offers several types of ads to suit different business goals and marketing strategies. A. Search ads. Search ads appear at the top and bottom of Google search engine results pages, SERPs, when users search for specific keywords related to your business. They look similar to organic search results but are marked with a small ad label. These ads are triggered by keyword searches, making them highly relevant to users' intent. B. Display ads. Display ads are visual banners that appear on websites across the Google Display Network. This network includes millions of websites, apps, and videos. These ads are best for businesses looking to build brand awareness and retarget users who have visited their website. C. Video ads. Video ads are displayed on YouTube and across the Google Display Network. They can appear before, during, or after videos on YouTube. Video ads are highly engaging and allow businesses to tell a story through multimedia. D. Shopping ads. Shopping ads are ideal for e-commerce businesses. These ads display product information, including a photo, title, price, and store name directly on the Google search results page. They are particularly useful for businesses selling tangible products and can drive high conversion rates. E. App promotion ads. For businesses with mobile apps, Google offers app promotion ads, which encourage users to download or engage with your app. These ads can appear on Google Search, YouTube, Google Play, and within other apps on the Google Display Network. F. Local service ads. Local service ads are specifically for businesses that offer services in particular locations like plumbers, electricians, or cleaning services. These ads allow potential customers to contact businesses directly through Google. 2. How Google Ads works. Google Ads operates on a pay-per-click PPC model, where businesses bid on keywords relevant to their products or services. When someone searches for those keywords, Google runs an auction to decide which ads to display. Factors that influence ad display include: A. Keyword relevance. Google analyzes the relevance of your ad and the keywords you've selected to the user's search query. Ads that are more relevant are more likely to appear. B. Bid amount. You set a maximum bid amount for each keyword. This is the most you're willing to pay when someone clicks on your ad. However, you're not necessarily charged the full amount. The actual cost per click CPC is influenced by your competition and how well your ad performs in the auction. C. Quality score. Google assigns each ad a quality score based on the ad's relevance, expected click-through rate CTR, and the landing page experience. Ads with higher quality scores may pay less per click and receive better ad positions. D. Ad rank. Ad rank is calculated by multiplying your bid by your quality score. This determines where your ad will appear on the search results page. 3. Setting up your Google Ads campaign. Now that you understand the different types of Google Ads and how the system works, let's go through the steps to set up a successful campaign. A. Create a Google Ads account. To get started, you need to create a Google Ads account. This involves providing basic information about your business, such as your website and the goals you want to achieve with your advertising. B. Define your campaign goals. Google allows you to choose from various campaign goals, such as C. Choose campaign type. Based on your goals, choose the appropriate campaign type. For instance, if you want to increase sales, you might choose search or shopping ads. If you want to increase brand awareness, you could opt for display or video ads. D. Select keywords. Keywords are crucial to the success of your campaign. Conduct keyword research using tools like Google's Keyword Planner. Select keywords that are highly relevant to your business. H. Have decent search volume and have a manageable level of competition. You should also use negative keywords to prevent your ad from showing for irrelevant searches. E. Set your budget and bids. Determine how much you're willing to spend per day on your campaign. You can also decide whether you want to set manual bids for each keyword or let Google automate the bidding process to maximize conversions within your budget. F. Write compelling ads. Your ad copy needs to be clear, concise, and compelling. Include a strong call to action CTA such as shop now, learn more, or get a free quote. The ad should address the user's query and offer a solution.